Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is glutinous rice rolls with red bean paste that is called donkey rolling and also called soybean powder cake. It is one of the traditional snacks of Beijing. The soybean powder sprinkled on it is like the lust thrown up when a donkey rolls on the ground, so it is named donkey rolling. Let's get started. First prepare 300 grams of red bean filling. You can buy it ready-made or make it yourself in advance. Prepare 150 grams of roasted soybeans. Then use a grinder to grind them into powder in batches. "200 grams of glutinous rice powder, 200 milliliters of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is to make the dough less sticky. Add oil to the glutinous rice flour. Then add the water, while stirring with chopsticks until the water is used up. Continue stirring until the glutinous rice flour is completely dissolved in the water, just like this. Put it into the steamer. Steam for 15 minutes after the water boils. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle some soybean powder on the working board, in order to prevent the dough from sticking to the board. Take out the dough. Arrange it with your hands. Roll it into a rectangle cake with a rolling pin. Spread the red bean paste evenly on it. Cut off the excess edges. Roll it up by hands. Sprinkle with soybean powder. And cut into sections. The delicious donkey rolling is ready. I didn't add sugar to the glutinous rice flour because both soybean powder and red bean paste are sweet. If you like it sweeter, you can add some sugar to the glutinous rice flour. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.